So today, I'm gonna put a new battery in my blue truck because I'm tired of the other one dying. That old battery is out of like my boat, so it doesn't have the proper cold cranking amps, which you need, especially for a diesel, and especially in the wintertime, especially when they're old. So I got one battery, the wrong battery, a dead battery. So I bought, the truck's supposed to have 2 batteries. I bought one of the correct batteries, so kind of, I'm making the problem like half better. I think I actually tied down the battery in that truck, so right now I'm just gonna get the tools I need to take it out, and yeah, maybe we'll go for a drive. That one? Nope. That one? Nope. That one? Nope. This one? Nope. Right here? Nope. I have this drawer so organized too that like there's no reason I can't find one. 7. Close. There it is. There it is. 8 mil. So here's our battery that's supposedly right. This would be just great if it worked. Oh, man. Come on, baby. The grid heater plugged into her too, so she shouldn't have many excuses not to start right now. Oh yeah. See if she moves. Seems to. I love driving this thing, but it's been such a pain with a bad battery because it never wanted to start. I think she's good now. Seems to be working fine. I mean, I don't want to go too far today because the roads, they're covered in salt and it's starting to get warm enough the salt's actually melting the ice and snow a bit, so the roads are a complete mess. And I don't have any inner fenders on this thing, so I'm trying not to fill everything up with salt and snow and slush and water and everything else, but for what it's worth, it seems to be working. The other battery was starting the truck, but the thing is, I never had a grid heater, or not a grid heater, a block heater on it. So I was cranking the truck over dead cold, minus 20, 30, with a weak battery. So, like, I think usually I'm the reason things break. So I'm the reason that it wasn't starting, that I killed the battery. Now I got a block heater and a good battery. So if I keep the block heater plugged in and the battery charged, I should be fine. It's not much of a video here, it's just something I had to do today, but I figured I'd bring you along with me. The trees look super cool today, if you care. Oh, my window! Covered in frost, so the sun kind of comes through them and makes them look all pretty like. The frost just covers every single little branch. This thing is not safe on the snow. Not even safe on the rain, dry pavement, nothing. The thing is, like, I put some work into that engine, and I put that engine in a small little short box truck. So it's like just a recipe for disaster if you're not holding on, but I guess that was kind of the idea. This is a good little truck. Like, I originally had it, I kind of regret what I did. Like, I gutted the interior, every last little thing, just because I made it like strictly drag racing, because I wasn't using my brain. Now I just want it as a daily driving truck that you jump in and turn the key and it starts. Which it is now, but it wasn't for like 2 years. Because I built it, then I used it, then I parked it, looked at it, sold some parts off it, people want it, and then I was just looking at it in the backyard and said, I want to drive that thing again. So here we are. I think I finally got it to a good state now. Like, I can hop in it and go whenever. Not today, because I don't want to get it all messy underneath, but come the summertime or the nicer weather, I'll drive it every day. So now I'm just wondering where I should park it, because I don't really want it right up in the front yard anymore. But I'll go down into the cul-de-sac and do a donut or two first. I don't know if the neighbors like me or not. They probably don't. Well, that's fine. Just having some fun. There we go. But he was just staring at me. So I'll probably spin it around, back it up, so when this battery dies again, I can boost it. There we go. I think I'll park it right here. I think there's some oil in the gas. Oh, she's digging a hole now. Here, I'll smooth all this out. See how it does to this. I got this battery that I just took out of my truck, and I got it on this cheap Amazon battery. Oh, 12.36 volts. This cheap Amazon battery tester thing. 800, close enough. Good. Recharge. Okay, well that's not bad. Earlier I said this was a boat battery. It's not. It's a battery I bought for that thing. Like, that battery I probably bought last year. Well, it probably says on it. It doesn't, but anyway. I bought that battery last year for that exact truck, so might have made a mistake buying another one, but that's fine. That's what happens. Anyway, I don't think I got time today to get into anything else, so I think that's it. Just a little, threw a battery in the truck, took it for a test drive, and realized I didn't need one, and fixed another shear pin on the snowblower. I've been fixing shear pins on this snowblower every single day, and that's not a lie. Every single day I put a shear pin in there, to the point that I went on Amazon. I'm buying shear pins in this quantity now, like bags of 50. So, but you get frustrated and you put a real bolt in there, then things get expensive, so whatever. I think I'll just start parking it in the garage, letting it warm up, and then in the morning, put a shear pin in it, and might have a lot to do with the type of snow we have here too. Like you kind of get that soft snow, and that's fine, but it's when it packs down, chunks turn into ice, and blah, 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 and then that's all it takes. Because I'm not really hitting rocks or anything, like maybe the odd one here or there, but it's just chunks of ice. But anyway, that's what shear pins are for, so I guess I can't complain. Anyway, we'll see you on the next video. Later.